It is Provoleta time. I'm going to make some Provoleta, which is a provolone cheese out of Argentina. It is a delicious cheese. This is the one that I got, and what I did was I got some minis. I kind of threw them in the freezer for a little bit to get them nice and firm in the middle. They are a very firm cheese. What you do is pan fry them. That's what I'm going to be doing. I try to duplicate how delicious it's done in Buenos Aires. However, pan frying is the way that's easiest for me, and I'm going to use a high temp olive oil. That one's made for a higher temperature cooking. It doesn't burn as quickly. A little bit of frying there. I'm not going to deep fry them, but they will have a crispy coating. I did preheat the pan, and let's drop these babies in and make some delicious Provoleta cheese. So I'm going to do about 2 minutes each side for these smaller ones. The larger one I would have done about 3 minutes each side, almost cooking it like a hamburger. I do have this on medium heat. You can see how it's starting to get nice and crispy on the outside. Hopefully I'll be able to flip them without the exterior layer peeling off of the larger chunks. That's about 2 minutes. Oh, we got a good flip. All right. Oh, smells good. Comes pre-seasoned. You can season it yourself, but I'm not the expert seasoner that these people are. I'm going to bring the heat down now, turn it to off, and just let the residual heat in the pan and the oil continue to cook it for another 2 minutes, and it will be ready to go. Time's up. Oh, that's gonna be good. That is gonna be good. Cut it into quarters for these smaller guys. If it's a larger one, just let each person who's going to have some of it cut off the piece they want. It is delicious. Look at that. Crispy on the outside. Oh. Chewy on the inside. Oh, this is going to be good.